Hello everyone and welcome to Bumby. Today I have for you another DIY using Dollar Tree items. This is an inspired Valentine's Farmhouse Home Decor. So let me show you the items that you will need for this project. Okay, items needed for this Farmhouse P.S. I Love You sign. We're going to need this Dollar Tree like 18-inch sign that says home is where your story begins. You're going to need wood-looking shelf paper from the Dollar Tree. A thick rope. They also have thick rope at Dollar Tree. I'm just using this because I already have this on hand. You're going to need white, black, or red paint, depending on what color you want your letters. And a package of Dollar Tree letters. You're going to need a paintbrush, pair of scissors, and a glue gun. Okay guys, so we're going to start with, we are going to use this side of our sign. We don't want to touch our sign on the other side because then we can use the sign on each side. So we are going to cut a piece of this wood shelf paper, which I already have pre-cut. We're just going to put it right here on top of this piece of wood. Okay? Sorry guys, I thought I was videotaping as I was adding the shelf paper and I was not. So here I'm just adding rope around the sides because I want to cover the red color. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking like. Done one roll of the rope around, and now I'm going to do a second rope, and I won't videotape that since I already videotaped just going around and gluing the rope. It's very simple guys. The next step guys, from your letters, separate P and S, the I, the word love, then the letter U. So once you have sorted out your letters, all you do guys is just paint your letters in white or black. That's up to you what you decide to paint them. I'm going to paint mine in white. And paint those. I went ahead and painted mine white. And then once those are painted, okay, we're going to take our sign and we're going to add P, S, I'm going to do I, love you. Putting them into position before I glue them. So we want to do that. And there we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing. Okay guys, and now with the chalk pin, I'm going to try to make the little zeros here by the PS. Let's see if that works. And it did. And there you have it, guys. A PS I love you sign. It looks like real wood. They're selling these at Hobby Lobby for $9 to $12. And I just made myself one for actually $2. I already had the shelf liner. I just got the sign. And I also got the letters. And if you go ahead and you turn around this sign, I can still use it. That says home is where your story begins. So I have now 2 signs in one. Guys, thank you so much for watching me and joining me in another Farmhouse Valentine's DIY. I will have a link to yesterday's video right here at the end of the video if you want to see what I did yesterday. Stay tuned, guys, because I have several more DIYs, farmhouse inspired revamps from the Dollar Tree. Thanks, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.